YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to change your key fob for your LUCID Gravity Grand Touring or Gravity Touring. So this is the key fob. We just got it only a couple of days ago, and when we try to start a car with this key fob, it doesn't even want to open or sense the key fob. So the battery is totally dead, I guess. So when you turn the remote, you see like a black cover with the black bear logo right here. And all you need to do is just jam like a prying tool or a guitar pick, and just jam in there and pry upward. And as you can see, it's separated already. So just pry out slowly. There's like a clip on the top and then bottom. There's this like a rubber O-ring right here in case prevent from water or liquid damage. So as you can see, it's manufacturer paint right here. You got a blue and blue. This is the CR2450 3-volt battery. And after that, all you need to do is just push this downward and then pry up. Okay, there's like two of this plastic clip is holding the battery down, okay? And I'm going to test out the voltage on this battery. And it shows 2.81 volt. It's supposed to be above like 3 volt. So I bought this cheap brand from Amazon. I'm not sure it's even gonna work, but I got the trusted brand right here. This is the Power Owl. Gonna see if this one works. If not, then I will need to use the Power Owl. Last time I bought a cheap battery from Amazon, the CR2032, and then they didn't work. So this one shows 3.3 volt, which is good. Now I'm going to, okay, this is the holder right here. You gotta insert in a slanted angle and then push in to clip in. And we're going to put the top in first in a slant angle. Make sure you clip it in and press on both sides until you hear click. Okay. Now we're going to go out there and then test it out. Alright, I'm working with my key fob. Hopefully it's going to detect it. If not, then we might have a damage remote. Oh, there you go. See if I open. There you go. So yeah, it is working now. Anyway, that's how you change your key fob on this 2026 LUCID Gravity. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.